In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people and manage project access in Jira. If you've ever needed to onboard a new developer, give a product owner access to a sprint board, or share a backlog with someone who needs visibility. You already know that permissions can feel confusing when you don't know exactly where to look. The good news is that in Jira, project level access is usually managed right from within the project itself, which makes the process much faster and more organized. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're logged in and you can see the main dashboard, look for the Projects menu near the top of the screen. Click it, then select the project where you want to manage access. This is important because permissions are being adjusted inside that specific project space. When the project opens, you'll usually see your board, backlog, or roadmap view. From here, move to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find Project Settings. It's typically near the bottom and often marked with a gear icon. Click that to open the project's configuration area. Next, stay on the left side and look through the Settings menu for access. Depending on how the project was created, this area might also be labeled People or Permissions. The wording can vary a little between team-managed and company-managed projects, but the goal is the same. You're opening the section where user access is controlled. Once you're in that area, go to the upper right corner of the page and find the button labeled Add People or Grant Access. Click it to open the access window. This is where you'll invite or assign someone directly to the project without having to dig through broader system settings. Inside the pop-up window, click into the field labeled Name or Email and enter the person's name or work email. After that, open the role dropdown and choose the access level that matches what they need to do. For example, developer or member works well for someone who needs to update issues and work actively in the project. Viewer is better for read-only access. Administrator should only be used when someone needs to manage project settings and permissions. Before you finish, take a quick moment to review the information you entered. Confirm that the correct person is selected and that the role matches their responsibilities. Then click Add or Save in the bottom right corner of the window. Jira will apply the change and return you to the access list. As a final check, look over the table and confirm that the new person appears with the correct role. That simple verification step helps prevent confusion later and ensures the onboarding process went through successfully. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next.